All right, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and welcome back to the channel. Look at this. I got a pretty cool Typhoon aspirated Brian Nadeau. Look at this shiny thing. Is gorgeous. And you're gonna probably look at me taking this guy apart, right? I believe why you're here is that reason. So I'm just gonna go with this T8. I believe it's a T8. I believe, right? You guys, in the meantime, you know what you can check out? Fablades.com, huh? See what is going on there. There might be some knives, some toys, some accessories. I don't know. Let's check that out and see what is going on there. Also, what's going on Fablades on Instagram. I'm neglecting that social media. I know I should do a little bit more, but guys, I'm a little bit busy. So this is still, you know, my hobby, and I'm really trying my best to crank this video out, but it's taking a lot of time to make these, because it's not just only shooting the video, guys. It's like editing the video, it's uploading the video, describing the video for YouTube and all that stuff. So it takes time. Anyways, very simple construction going on over here. There is no internal skeletonization because the whole thing is fully skeletonized. What you want skeletonized more? It's fine. It's already skeletonized. It's pretty straightforward. I mean, these are the pieces. You saw that. I'm just gonna use a little bit of rubbing alcohol because this guy has been sold, and I am going to clean it up. So the person that is getting it is gonna get it nice and clean. So Brian Nadeau, Sharp by Design. This is an aspirated Typhoon, which I love. Great, great knife, great everything. Oops. Yeah. I got you. Where is it? Yeah. So we got like a runner. We got a guy trying to escape from my table. So let's clean the bearings, right? This is gonna be quick. Everything is clean, pretty dry even here. So we're gonna go ahead and boom, 3 drops right there, 3 drops even here, 1 for the detent, which is not a ball. In this case, it's just like another. This might stick, might not, who knows. Let's see how it goes. Right over here. We're gonna sandwich this guy. It's not gonna happen right there. And that is it. I was saying very simple construction. You got 1 screw going through the pocket clip right over here and 1 pivot screw. Both are T8 Torx. And let me just make sure this is done. So 2 screws, guys. Not much to do here. And oh yeah, boy. Oh yeah. Oh wow. Now we are in business. That was pretty quick, guys, but the action is definitely smooth on this aspirated Typhoon Bowie from Sharp by Design. There you have it. Really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.